So Trainworks has added a new locomotive to the game. A B39-3, I think. I'll have to look at it at the end of the video. But here's just a little overview of the newly added engine into the game. We got this one in the Nashville and Eastern paint scheme, numbered HR2, because I had to sell the other HR2, the SD40 locomotive that lasted a hot minute, because the game updated. So, had to sell an engine to get an engine. So, let's take it for a spin. I go under the map. Still need to fix the cameras. I have to say this new engine type is quite nice. This engine type was actually built by GE. So, yeah, check it out. The price for this engine is $2.8 million in-game currency. So, you can sell an SD40 in exchange to get one of these. Let's see how far we can go before we derail. Looks like they need to make the windows see-through. And some stuff they obviously gotta work on, but you know, this is literally just added to the game, so I give them credit. I don't think I've been this way before on this line. I guess we'll find out how far we go before we derail. Man, we're doing like 50 in the 28-mile-an-hour zone, and yet we are perfectly fine. Never mind. We have crashed. Well, the engine's fine. Let's go back to the main menu and find out officially what this engine type is. A B39-8. So this is a Dash 8 locomotive, a B39-8. These were built by GE. So, yeah, check it out. I think they added a new horn too. I like that. And then these are the different schemes it comes in. We got the Manjanahelna, Union Pacific, Southern Pacific, Lehigh Valley, Norfolk Southern, the Nashville and Eastern, CSX, and the regular demo unit. Pretty cool.